What to do if you have gaps in your teeth? Spaces between your teeth may not give a pleasing appearance and might make you self conscious. Once your dentist or dental specialist has determined the reason for the gaps between your teeth, a treatment plan will be discussed. Options may include keep the gaps as it is, orthodontic treatment to move the teeth and close the spaces, use porcelain veneers, which are very thin pieces of porcelain bonded to the outside of the teeth, crown and bridge work or replacement of teeth with implants, or dental bonding. How can you get rid of gaps in teeth without braces? Braces aren't the only solution for filling gaps in teeth. If you want to close gaps in teeth without braces, two other options that may be offered are veneers and composite bonding. Veneers. A porcelain veneer is a thin cover that fits on top of your natural teeth to alter the shape and or color. Fixing the gaps with veneers is quite straightforward. Dental bonding. With bonding, a composite material is applied directly to the teeth. No lab work required. The dentist builds up and shapes the composite to give the desired appearance. In the case of filling gaps in teeth, the composite is used to extend the tooth slightly to close the gaps.